some of you guys saying, well, when is he gonna start talking? I figured I'd switch it up on you guys a little bit. And of course you guys know I got to sort of holler while I'm in this tractor because the insulation ain't all that good, so it doesn't muffle out the sound very well. But anyway, as you can see, getting some centipede grass mowed this morning. It was pretty foggy earlier. I've done a few things already, getting the mower ready and checking on the fields that I need to get mowed. But I guess it'll take a while for the corn to dry out. If the sun doesn't come out, it's gonna continue to stay damp. But hopefully the sun will come on out, and after maybe about 10:30 or so, which is about the time Dan can normally start picking, we can get to it. But anyway, we're gonna see how the day goes, you guys. Man, that AC is bumping. Got the doors, fogging up the glass. That's gonna make it hard to see. Go ahead and get this stuff out of the way. Man, a bunch of ladybugs out here this morning, ain't it? Ladybugs! You guys, oh my goodness. This air conditioner is blowing so loud. I just got back in the tractor and drove probably about 300 feet and the mower wasn't even on. I'm thinking that it's on because of how loud it is in here. I look back, I'm like, wait a minute, why this thing ain't cut? I realized, oh no, I didn't turn the PTO on. Oh my goodness. I forgot we got some rain, you guys. I don't know how much. I didn't ask Dan or Danny, but as you can see, there's water standing here. And this is a low place that goes across the field there. So it normally has water if there's a big rain that comes through. And I believe right there was some ruts from when they were digging the grass. The trucks came through and rutted it up when it was wet, when they were digging this field prior to it growing back in like it is right now. So that's why that water's standing there. We make a little circle around it. I'm on my last pass in this field. Rudy mowed that side Saturday, and I just texted Danny and asked him how much it rained. He said it rained about 4/10 of an inch this weekend. And we're off to the next field. So you guys, I was eating and mowing around the edge of this field and I come across this tree right here. So I think I'm gonna get out and see if I can move it. Since it's a pine tree, we might can move it. And it looked like it's starting to die. We might can move it by hand, you guys. I'm telling you, this air conditioner, it's got to be on the 3rd level in order for it to blow. I think the fans is acting up. But anyway, that thing is so loud. That's why I thought the mower was on earlier. See, that's how it sounds with it off. And that's on. Anyway, let's see if we can move this thing right quick. Might not can move it. We're gonna try it anyway. That's a nice size though. I probably shouldn't be even trying to exert that much energy. Oh, that's yeah, that's a little bigger than I'm afraid it's gonna break and snap off in my face right there. Okay, maybe we can roll it over. Oh, that was a mosquito biting me on the back of my head. It's trying to move now. All right, that's too much. I don't want to wear myself out at the beginning of the morning. Forget it. We failed. We failed, you guys. Yeah, I just continue to mow slowly and eat my chicken salad. Would you guys like some? I'm offering you some. You don't want any? Okay, it's all right. It's okay. It's a-okay. More for me. 10:54, and the sun is starting to come out, you guys. 2 minutes later, Dan just texted me and said that he'll need me at about 12 o'clock. So we still got a little bit of time to get some mowing done. Let's get this thing cleaned off. All right, you guys, got a hoe that I use to scrape off the bottom side here, and it's not that bad actually, so that's good. But I like to try and get the wet grass off of it. It'll keep it from rusting it so bad. Like I said, it's not much on here. A lot of the times when you start off mowing the grass wet, it'll stick to it. But if you keep mowing as it continues to dry, the dry grass will clean it off. So that's why it's not much, because it started to dry while I was mowing. This would be a nice and quick clean off. I don't get it perfect. Just get the bulk of it off so it don't be so hard to clean next time around. Some of that there. I'm gonna have to use it tomorrow morning again anyway, so that'll do for that. And it's not really much grass up here. I usually take, oh, tripping over the corn stalks. I usually take the blower and blow off this back deck. Let's see if this fire up for us this morning. Like I said, I ain't doing no immaculate job. That's another good reason to keep the covers off of here. You can clean it off easier. All right, you guys, that'll do. That will do. Ugh. Danny and I are heading to the field about the same time, you guys. Yeah, I'll be running the grain cart today, you guys. Yeah. Go ahead and let the auger in. All right, got one of the drivers today. All right, Jack. And then we got Danny there with the Freightliner. And our other truck, the International. And Dan is over here on the other side of these ditches, which is why he need me to run the grain cart today, because he can't get to them like he could get to them when they was on the road there. In that field there, that field goes all alongside the road. So I'm gonna have to get them loaded, bringing it from out of these fields over here. And yeah, look at them ditches, you guys. They look like my ditch at the house. Did y'all see the video from Saturday where I showed you what my ditch looks like and how we need to get it weed eated? Yeah, my. Yeah, good thing he got it mashed down where we can see. I know the driveway is here though, so. Actually, I believe Dan dug this ditch out with the trench because it didn't used to be this deep, but that's to help the water flow. So I guess we're gonna wait on him to get a load. All right, you guys, he's getting full there. See where he gonna want me to pull up at, probably on the end row here. Or might be on the go. I don't know. What do you want to do? On the go? On the go. I told him he's been in a pine tree there. All right, you guys. 4 miles an hour. We doing it. We doing it, you guys. I'm sorry about the fast head turning. I know. You get motion sickness. Try to turn my head slow. But I gotta drive straight too, you guys. Look at Dan, got his game face on like he all serious. Of course, there's gonna be a lot of this today, I guess. Trying to keep the trucks rolling, but I ain't gonna record every time because then I'll have an hour-long video, you guys. Just give you an idea of how it's looking out here. Yep. Of course, that field ain't long, I meant, so we gotta stop because we ain't that good. We can't be making turns and unloading. You gotta have serious skill for that. I did clean the windows off a little bit, but all right. Yeah, you guys, look at these ditches. Sickle pods all over these ditches, you guys. Well, I'm gonna head back on down here. Check back in when I get to the truck. Uh-oh, looks like Danny's coming over here with the 78 to bush hog the driveway probably though. Yeah, he's mowing in that driveway over there. Oh yeah, and for the record, for those of you who don't know, there's actually two persons, Dan and Danny. Dan is the son, and Danny is the father. Danny is in the tractor right there. He's the one who threw up his hands in the truck. All right. What was it, Friday? When I was coming in with the little truck? Yeah. Dan and Danny. All right, I'm not gonna make a mess with the truck, all right? Like I did Friday. At least I don't think I am. Nah, I'm not. It's harder to make a mess with this, with the big truck than it is the little truck. Open up the gate. Yeah, Dan did already put, I guess, a load in there because it's building up already. It's getting down to the last of it when it starts shaking that much. And that about do it. Turn off the PTO. Got the gate closed. And get past the truck and we'll let the auger back down. I could leave it up, but it's, oh no, I see some power lines down there. It's just safe to just put it down whenever you're traveling. Yeah, Danny thought that I would be loading on that truck, obviously. He didn't know that there was a load on the international truck, so I guess he's gonna get it moved on the road. Back in the field, and he's finishing up those 8 rows there. I'm a little bit lost on what he want here because I know he got to get them in rows. Okay, I guess he'll unload it right here because he still got to get those in rows on that end there. It's not gonna be no unload on the go though. And we are departing again. Pull up, pull up. This load should fill this truck up. I think I mentioned to you guys before that this trailer, I guess it's, I don't know, it might actually be smaller or it just might be made differently. But anyway, you can't load this, well actually you can't load that trailer up as high as you can this trailer. I guess it's because of how it has that cone shape in the bottom of that trailer and it holds more. So with this one, you can bring it about to those railings. You don't want it to quite be touching the railings all the way, but most of the time, Dan, he'll get the right amount for 3 hoppers to fill up that one trailer anyway. So when I have to load that trailer, you won't be able to see it peaked up in the trailer as good. All right, she's getting filled up. I see Danny over there mowing along some of the ditches. Yep, that's gonna do it just right, I believe. That's gonna do it, you guys. That's going to do it. Yeah, see Danny, he tried to work on them ditches a little bit there. A little bit, a little bit. At least we can see where to turn in at now. Because before I was like, whoa, man. He's going along the edge of that ditch now. I don't know if Dan want me to go in there and get that load because he got to come out. I guess I'll turn in anyway. I guess that answers my question, huh? It's not gonna be a full hopper because you can't see it over the top of the combine, so we'll have to gauge it accordingly. And Danny, you down there bush hogging. You need to be going ahead with that load, buddy. Okay then, all right. Okay. So you guys, what a coincidence. I was just telling you guys about how we normally were loading the trailers, but as you heard, I was just talking to Dan. He called me and told me that I can actually put more on this trailer. He said to actually bring it on up to the railing. So I guess they've been putting a little more in there recently, so I gotta put some more in this truck now, you guys. I told him, I said, I just got through telling the people about how to load these trailers. Now I gotta go back and tell them what I gotta do. All right, you guys, this is taking focus. Things got a little sketchy there when I was loading that. I had to have a lot of fast head movement, so I said, you know what? Let me focus and pay attention, and let me be free to turn my head as fast as I need to get that thing right, because it was about to overspill. So now I'm moving on to this one, you guys. Yeah, it's gonna take a little practice for that, to do it with you guys and talk to you at the same time. All right, I'm confessing it. I'm confessing it. So this field he's in now, he's getting the ends picked. This field is longer. So I'm thinking if we do an unload on the go in this field, he could probably get it emptied out while we're still moving and won't have to come to a stop at the end of the field. I guess we'll see. I'm coming up in the dust behind him. I'm pretty sure probably we will unload on the go in the long rows here. Or he might make it to the other end. I don't know. If I see that auger come up, I know the deal. In the meantime, we just riding beside him. Let you get this view. I think he'll probably make it to the other end and then he'll probably just stop. Oh, there it is. Let's pull up. I think I counted, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 rows over is where my tire needs to be from where his tire is over there in those rows. I can't help but do the fast head turn. Hold up, am I losing my row spacing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, I was getting in too close there. Oh yeah, it's working out good. We'll see how much he has left when we get to the end. Not gonna be much. Almost perfect, you guys. Almost oops, I about to say almost a perfect load on the go. Or unload on the go. I'm messing up my words, I know. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. So of course I have already unloaded on here once, a full load. I did it without you guys. Yeah, I know. But I'm bringing it about to that level right there and then moving on ahead so that it's not too much in there. As I move to the back side, you can hear it dropping to the bottom. Maybe you can hear it. I can hear it. Can you hear it? I don't know. Up, it's full now. You can't hear it anymore. I can't hear it either. Had a moment of silence there for a minute, huh? I guess it's getting about time for, I think his name is Jack, to get back with his truck, because this load is gonna almost fill up the Freightliner truck. I guess he's gonna go to that smaller field back there since we're getting so close to having everything filled up, which makes sense. And you guys, that truck, I believe, is definitely full, even though it's not heaped up everywhere. There's a little gap I got at the back there, but the grain cart about to run out, so I believe that's perfect. Because it's not supposed to be as high as the other truck, remember? Yep, that's gonna do it. Dan just texted me and said that's gonna fill that truck up. So yeah, we were right, you guys. We were right. So the rows were angled on this side, and of course, whenever you got angle rows, the entire field is not planted. There'll always be a little gap somewhere where there's no corn, and you can always believe where there's a gap, them weeds are gonna come up because it's not being shaded by the corn. So that's a perfect example of the importance of the corn shading out the weeds during the rest of the year of its growth, or else you got a problem. There it is again, most sickle pod. He's been working on this little field, and this is actually the second load that he's putting in here. As you can see, the grain cart is getting pretty full now. Windows are getting dirty. Hit the windshield wiper one time there. And so Jack nor Danny has made it back yet. And the plan is he has 2 loads on the grain cart, and I'm gonna leave the grain cart out here, and Dan will be able to pick in the field here with the long rows, and he'll load them off of the combine whenever he gets here. And I'm gonna take lunch, you guys. Well, I guess Danny snatched up my truck to go get the bush hog, and so my truck is way down there now. So guess what? I'm gonna take the bush hog to go get my truck. Hey, I don't feel like walking that long way in the hot sun. Most importantly, it's saving time. That's my excuse. Don't call me lazy. It's been a while since you guys have seen the kitties and babies having it. She stay ready. Look at her. She ready for me to open the door and come out with some food. Hey, you always ready, ain't you? Ain't you? Let's call them, you guys. Kitties and babies! Babies and kitties! Kitties and babies! Babies and kitties! All right, here comes Buddy. Here comes a baby. Oh, let's see. Where's the others at? Oh, there go another baby there. Oh, well, I guess the tuxedo cat, kitty, and the tortoiseshell baby, they're gonna miss out. Here you go. Let me spread it out because y'all don't know how to share. Y'all don't know how to share. Let me spread it out. Let's spread it out. Let's spread it out. Everybody can get some. Give them only a portion of it right now. Oh, here she comes. Come on, Kitty. Come on. I guess the other one is gonna miss out. Well, anyway, y'all better enjoy. I'm heading back to the field. Well, you guys, Dan finished up back there, and he's getting ready to move to a field out here on the dirt road where he'll be able to load the trucks from the road. We're gonna get some stuff moved out here, but I'm gonna have to get in the little truck. No! Nah, it's all good. I'm gonna have to haul with the little truck, so y'all know how busy I get with that. And I believe this video's probably been long enough anyway. So I'm gonna wrap this video on up. I really want you guys to know how much Jesus loves you. John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son, that whosoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. I continually stress that. Jesus loves you and he wants you saved. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. You guys stay blessed. You guys keep encouraged. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.